Welcome back to the Morristown Animal Shelter. I'm Kim, and this week we're going to be introducing you to some really great cats and dogs who are available for adoption. You're going to meet Marie and Charlie. Charlie was recently adopted from the shelter, and we're also going to talk a little bit about fostering and how you can perhaps foster a dog in your home. I'd like to introduce you to my friend Marie Fix. Marie recently adopted Charlie from the shelter, and she's going to talk to us about that experience. Marie, tell me, how did you learn that Charlie was available for adoption?
I saw him on Facebook, and I thought, oh, that little dog really needs a good home.
Okay, and so Facebook's a great way that you can stay informed about dogs and cats who are available. Tell me, once you decided that Charlie was right for you, what was the experience like adopting him?
Oh, it was wonderful. It was just so amazing the way it was so smooth and really professional, and I would highly recommend it to anybody to come here to the animal shelter.
As you can see, Charlie is a purebred Shih Tzu, so sometimes if you're looking for a specific breed, the shelter might be the place to check. Marie, thanks for joining us today, and I'm really glad that Charlie found a home with you. I'd like to introduce you to Angie. Angie's available for adoption, but she's currently at a foster home. We'd really like to encourage our viewers to come out and consider fostering a dog. If you're interested, there's a simple application process, and you're simply taking care of a dog on a temporary basis. It's really great for the pet because it gives them an opportunity to socialize with your family. It makes them a better candidate for adoption. And as you can see here, Angie's a wonderful little girl, and so hopefully she'll find a permanent home, but she's going to a really terrific foster home for now. This is Buddy. Buddy is a golden retriever, and he's available for adoption. Some of the young walkers that we have here at the shelter have talked about how sweet and gentle he is. He's great to walk with, so I think he would be wonderful for a family with children. He is available for adoption. Like I said, we're not really sure how old he is, but I don't think he's terribly old. He looks like he's in pretty good shape, and as you can see, he's a really handsome boy. So come down and check Buddy out. I'd like to remind everyone that the Morristown Animal Shelter is holding their inaugural Putts for Mutts. This golf tournament will be April 27th at the Morristown Country Club, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The shelter is really hoping that they'll have more sponsors, so if you're available, they have 3 levels of sponsorship. Perhaps you can get a 4-man team together. It's going to be a really great opportunity to raise some money for the shelter. They could use your help. This is Haas, and this big guy is available for adoption. He's a German Shepherd Great Pyrenees mix, so he's going to need a home that's got lots of room. He's going to need a fenced-in yard, most likely. He's a big boy, so if you're interested in Haas, come on down. They have lots of large dogs available, and he's going to need a special family. This is Pris. She's a Jack Russell Terrier mix, and she's approximately 20 pounds, a small dog, easy to handle. She's got lots of personality, and she'd make a great pet for your family. This is Maggie. Maggie's recently back from a foster home, and she is currently available for adoption. She's been here at the shelter for a little while, so she's really anxious for a home. Maggie is a terrier mix. She's a little larger, weighs about 25 pounds. She, again, has a lot of energy, so she's going to need a family that can really fulfill that need for her. But she's a great girl. There you go. Thanks for coming down to the shelter and joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed the animals that we've introduced to you, but more importantly, I hope you'll come and visit the shelter. Thanks for joining us on Morristown TV today. See you soon.